My dear all wonderful Isolians, I hope all of you are doing fantastically well, happy, healthy, safe and sound with all your family members at your home. As you all know that this is the second wave of corona which has hit the country, and the second wave is much more devastating as compared to the first one. I really wanted to share a few things with all of you on the behalf of the board of directors, all the management committee of iSouls Group, and considering all of you as a part of iSouls family. We consider it as our due responsibility that each member of iSouls family must remain happy and healthy at their home with all their family members. First of all, I would like to thank each one of you from the bottom of my heart, because you people have been rocking wonderfully. You have given yourself dedicatedly working, and we all together fought back the very first wave of corona which came last year. And that was really a tough time for all of us and the people, and even the people who are associated with us directly, indirectly, and the other peoples as well. But to be very honest, this second wave is very devastating. And here I have very important three submission to all of you, three requests all of you, which I wanted to share with all of you. Number one, please take care of your health. That's of the paramount importance, because till the time your health is not there, jab tak swasthya nahi hoga, obviously you cannot work or you cannot do anything. So please take care of yourself, your family members, everyone at home. Please don't go outside. Please follow the things, follow the instructions. Just be at home. Please induct few things in your lifestyle, because this time it is something where we are listening a lot of cases where there are new strains of the virus, and it is actually hitting the youth also. So request all of you, very first, most important, health of each family member is of prime importance for all of us, for all the management of iSouls, and we really need all of you to be very healthy and all your family members. Secondly, I would like to request all of you, as you people have earlier dedicated yourself for the system, so this is a time once again all of you have to come in the front just like the warriors. Let me share with you, the situation is getting devastated overall in terms of the health, in terms of economic, every situation is getting deteriorated, and with the love and support of all of you in the very first wave also, we really fought very well, and I'm sure we're going to make it happen this time. So I would request each one of you, please give your 110% for the work. Just give it yourself in order to make it to that level where we can do outstanding things as you people have been doing in the first wave as well. So I would request all of you, first of all, to give your 110% for the work. Whatever you have, just if you need to cross an extra mile to make it happen, just do it. We are youngsters, we can really do it. Secondly, as I always request, and I would say this is a time which is truly a blessing in disguise for all of us. Please invest this time to increase your knowledge and to streamline the various processes of the company. Even I myself have been investing right from morning till evening totally. I've been using this again this time very wonderfully, and this is an opportunity to streamline the various processes of the system company so that we can take it to the next growth. And honestly, I can't do this without the support of all of you, as you have always been supporting earlier as well. So I request all of you, please give your 110%. Secondly, please invest time on increasing your knowledge and streamlining the processes. Whatever you feel is missing, just come forward, bridge it up, talk to your department heads, get in touch, and just, I want to see that zeal. Let's together make it happen and utilize this time of corona to take the system company to the next level of growth. And third, most important, which I would request all of you, this is a time when not just your physical health, but at the same point of time, mental health is very important. So all of you are requested, you along with your family members, just keep your very positive state of mind, which is very important. I would personally recommend each one of you few things which you must inculcate. In case if you are not doing it, so please, right from today onwards, inculcate 15 to 20 minutes of breathing exercise in your daily routine, daily lifestyle, pranayama. That will also help you in fighting against or in increasing your immunity for the COVID also, because that strengthens your lungs. And also, secondly, it will also help you to be keeping your state of mind very, very fresh and positive. And when you are investing your time in the company in doing all these things, so obviously I know for all of us the time will just pass like seconds, but you must do this thing as your responsibility for your other family members also, because a lot of times our family members, they don't get that, they really feel that emptiness coming with it. So it's our responsibility to do that. So I would request each one of you to come forward and let's go with these three things. As I said, your health, your family members' health, which is most important. Secondly, looking forward, as always you have given your 100% support. This time again 110% support to fight back against this hard time, uncertain times, which we did last time, and I'm sure you will do it. And please invest on your knowledge. Let's scale up the system to next level. And thirdly, keep your mental well-being at the best possible way in 100% positive state of mind. So I would request each one of you just remain positive, and my lots of best wishes to all of you. And I'm sure this is a way nature always self-correct itself. Let's not take the things negatively. If we have got an opportunity, if we are safe, we must be thankful to that God, to the Almighty. हम बहुत अच्छे हैं, हम बहुत किस्मत वाले हैं कि प्रभु इच्छा we are sitting at our places. So let's take that opportunity and let's be positive and make others also positive, and let's come together and fight back this second wave also. Keep all of you very, very healthy. Best of luck. Keep your family members healthy. My best wishes are there, and always remember, we are always there because we are one family, iSouls family. Thank you so very much for your love and support. I really love you all. God bless all of us, and let's come forward and let's rock together.